In this video, I'll show you how to allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and go to the game where you have your private server. Now click on the Servers tab on the game page. Here, find your private server in the list. Once you see it, click on the three dots next to your server and select Configure. This will open your private server settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Friends Allowed. Turn this option on if you want all your friends to be able to join your server. If you only want specific people to join, you can manually add them. Just click on the Add People option. Type in your friend's username, select them, and click Add. After making your changes, your friends will now be able to join your private server. And that's it. That's how you can allow friends to join your Roblox private server. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.